start with the attire. You're looking so pretty in this attire. Ma'am, could you please tell us something about the attire? What is it what she is wearing?
Well, it's a very traditional ensemble, and the inspiration is from Raja Ravi Verma paintings. So she's wearing a very beautiful dhoti made out of antique sari, which was made in Banaras. And the shela is made again in Gujarat, Kimkhab it's called. And then, of course, the jacket and the koti is made out of tencel fiber fabric. So the idea is to create a kind of an ensemble which is actually speaking about India, about our culture. And we are so very proud of it. So I'm so very passionate about our textiles. So I wanted to just express that in her ensemble.
Sanjana, we would like to know from you how easy and how hard it was to walk on the ramp for the Latin fashion.
I think the only hard part was actually coming to terms with the fact that the Anju Modi's chosen me as her muse. It took me a long time to just get over that. Everything other than that has been easy because I've enjoyed being her muse, her draping the dhoti on me, and then hopefully doing justice to the piece on stage. So it's been
you did beautifully well. In fact, you just honored the whole ensemble so beautifully.
Thank you.
You have become Damayanti, as I call it.
Thank you so much. So,
Sanjana,
yeah.
we have seen the amazing performance that we have saw right now. Tell us something about your experience today.
Which amazing performance?
That performance, that ramp walk.
Oh, that ramp. What do you want to know about it?
Tell us something about your experience today.
So honestly, मेरा debut pandemic में हुआ था तो उस साल Lakme Fashion Week for 2 years was virtual. So this is my second ever LFW and I thought I'll get less nervous as I keep doing it more, but I'm only getting more and more nervous. But when I'm on stage, I have the best time because I've grown up being on stage. I used to be performing all the time, so it feels like home.
साथ ही मंजू जी आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कलर का जो कॉम्बिनेशन है आपका वाकई बहुत ही अच्छा है. आज का जो कलेक्शन था बहुत डिफरेंट था. आप कैसे कॉम्बिनेशन कर पाती है, साथ ही उन सभी वुमेन्स को क्या कुछ टिप्स देना चाहेंगी जो अपने ओल्ड साड़ीज़ के साथ भी कुछ ना कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकें?
ऑफ कोर्स देखिए, जो हमारी प्रकृति है उसमें जिस हिसाब से some higher power has done the color combination. So I'm no match to that. But of course, my inspiration is coming from nature. So when I see, and the colors are all having the very natural name, like sinduri red, और आम के पत्ते का हरा रंग और कत्था ब्राउन, जैसे कत्था होता है अपना. So these kind of an हल्दी, and then parrot green. So these are the colors, ruby colors जो हमारे jewel colors होते हैं, emeralds. So हमारी प्रकृति ने हमें colors दिए और मैं अगर वहीं से color लेती हूँ तो it's a borrowed thing for me, and the credit goes to the whole beautiful world around us.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you.